Hello, and thank you for joining me for this training video. Today we'll be covering advanced stock item types. These stock item types are used for tracking stock items with data like lot or batch numbers, serial numbers, or portions of a container or unit, and expiration date. These are advanced options which are not standard for all accounts. Every stock item in BarCloud can be configured for one of these item types. This is an option that's configured in the stock item file, so let's use the file navigation menu to get to the stock item file. Because this field modifies the way that BarCloud tracks quantities of the stock item, it cannot be changed once inventory quantities of that item have been received or imported. As such, it is very important to understand how each item type will work. Standard is the default method with quantities being tracked at locations. As the quantities are added to the system in existing locations, those quantities will be merged along with any details like notes and/or costs. A serialized item can have a unique cost, price, notes, user-defined fields, and expiration date. Common examples would include things like computers, networking equipment, and medical devices. Batch is similar to serial, but in this case, the batch or lot number will be shared by a set of pieces that need to be identifiable as a group. Batch items can have a cost, price, notes, user-defined field, and expiration dates that are unique to that group. Common examples include things like medications, food products, and chemicals. Non-inventory is for services. A non-inventory item will never show to have quantity in stock, but will always be able to be issued. The most common example is labor. Serial with quantity is a blend of serial and batch, where a container, like a drum of chemicals, a bolt of fabric, or even a spool of wire, has a unique identifier, like in serial, but can be used in quantities like batch. In these cases, the serial item is not considered fully consumed until the quantity reaches 0. This lets the user determine how many containers or pieces they have and how much quantity is available for each. Thank you again for joining me for this video. Be sure to check out the rest of our training videos for any other questions.